especially in Mason County and then through the hill country tomorrow, especially in the evening to overnight hours, could get nasty. I'm less concerned about the I-35 corridor at this point. We got a level 1 of 5 threat for Austin, a level 2 threat including Burnett, Blanco, Llano, and Fredericksburg, and a level 3 of 5 severe thunderstorm threat in Mason County. And it's there where I'm most concerned about hail that could be 2 inches or more in diameter, winds 75 plus miles per hour, and even that isolated strong tornado potential. So at this point, here's what we're looking at. Hands down, Mason County kind of takes the cake as far as the highest risk within our area. A 5% tornado risk tomorrow evening, a 30% hail risk, and a 30% chance of damaging wind. Make sure you've got those ways to get watches, warnings, or advisories, and we're going to keep you in the know throughout the day. Speaking of the day, tomorrow, most of the day relatively quiet. Temperatures start out around 70, warm, humid, drizzle, spotty showers, isolated storms possible during the day. High temperature around 82 degrees. Worth noting, though, one of the computer models, I'll show it to you in just a moment, is actually bringing some storms in as early as the morning. 74 degrees outside right now. Our high only made it to 77. Why storms tomorrow? We've got a Pacific cold front and a big upper level low. Those are the ingredients we need to kind of ignite the atmosphere, if you will. We've already got the warm, humid air in place, and there's some spotty showers currently making their way toward the area. You may have some drizzle or some mist through the overnight. Here we go at 7 a.m. Still quiet, but there may be some storms to our south and west, and depending on how things evolve, we might see some non-severe activity try and push in as early as mid-morning to our area. This might be an indicator of some possible hail to the south and west, something to watch. And this is all ahead of the main line. Here's 2 o'clock, blossoming showers and storms. Now, earlier this evening, we were not seeing anything like this. It was totally quiet. This may be an indicator that if we break the cap, that lid on the atmosphere, we might see some storms develop in advance of the main line. Speaking of, here's 6:30 in the evening tomorrow. We're watching as that main line starts to approach Mason County by about 11 or 12, heading toward 1:30, 2 o'clock. And I mentioned the storms are likely to kind of weaken as they head toward I-35. Here we are at 5 a.m. and we're still watching as, yes, there are storms, but they don't look quite as potent or nasty. There may also be some leftovers on the tail end of this. So some spots may see 1/10 of an inch of rain. Other spots, if you get those heavy downpours, might see 1 inch or 2. That severe risk will be with us through Wednesday morning, after which we'll see a week's worth of dry weather with some temperature swings as well.